Brahme muhurta uttishthet swastho raksharthamaayushah. Now let us go for Tika. Tika says, this is a very debatable, very interesting, very nice, very scientific discussion or debate or study or looking different references regarding this Brahma Muhurta will be very interesting if you put your attention correctly. सर्वांग सुंदर अरुण दत्त से रात्रेः चतुर्दशो मुहूर्तो ब्राह्म मुहूर्तः विषुवती समरात्रिं दिवे काले द्विघटिका उपलक्षणः. Okay. Now first thing is what is Brahma Muhurta. Brahma Muhurta. Look, it is not Brahma. There is no Brahman. There is no Brahmi. There is no Dalhan. There is no Jivha. Okay. There is no Vanni. It is Vanni. It is Jihva. It is Dalhan. It is Brahma. It is Brahman. It is Brahmi. Ha is first. Ma is after. It is not Brahmin. It is Brahmin. It is Brahma. So, Ratre Chaturdasho Muhurto Brahmo Muhurtaha. How many Muhurtas are there in one day? Sushruta says, Trinshan Muhurtam Ahoratram. There are 30 Muhurtas in one Ahoratra. From one sunrise to next sunrise, there are 30 Muhurtas in between two sunrises. Okay. When this is applicable, it is applicable Vishuvati. Vishuvati Samaratrin Dive Kale. When day and night are almost similar. So in extreme summer when day is longer or in extreme winter when night is longer, this is not applicable. It is applicable Vishuvati Samaratrin Dive Kale Dvighatika Upalakshanaha. So, Trinshan Muhurtam Ahoratram, there are 30 Muhurtas in 24 hours. Let us say, in our today's scenario, that from one sunrise to next sunrise, it is 24 hours. Look, definition of day is not at midnight. This is called as Vadato Vyagar. Definition of day begins at the midnight 12 am 0000. No. In our Shastra, in our culture, in our nation, in our Bharat, in our Sanskriti, day begins with sunrise. If you look for the Panchanga, the day begins with sunrise, not at 12 am. Okay? So, from one sunrise to next sunrise, there are 30 Muhurtas. Okay? So, from sunset to sunrise, there are 15 Muhurtas. Ratra 15 Muhurta and day 15 Muhurta. Got it? So, Ratrehe. What is the definition of Brahma Muhurta? Ratrehe Chaturdasho Muhurto Brahmo Muhurtaha. So, just before the sunrise, there is Panchadasha Muhurta, 15th Muhurta. But that Muhurta is not Brahma Muhurta because it is Sandhi. And in Sandhi Kala, you are not allowed to go for Adhyayana. If you go to Sushru Sutra Sthan 3, he has given Anadhyayana Kalaha. Anadhyayana Kala is Sandhi Kala. Sandhi Kala means when three Sandhya are there. That is at the sunrise, at Madhyana, and at midday, when sun is at your head, and sunset. These three Sandhya are not allowed to go for Adhyayana. So, Brahma Muhurta is for Adhyayana. What do you mean by Brahma? Brahma is for Brahma. Brahma is Jnanam. And you cannot go for study at Sandhi Kala. So, the 15th Muhurta, the last Muhurta, or the just Muhurta before sunrise is not Brahma Muhurta. But the second last, the 14th Muhurta, the second last Muhurta before sunrise is called as Brahma Muhurta. Therefore, Hemadri defines, very easy, he has not counted Ratrehe Chaturdasho Muhurta, but he has written Ratrehe, look, Ratrehe Upantyo Muhurta Brahmaha. Upantya. Upantya means not antim but upa-antim, that is second last. So second last muhurta is Brahma muhurta, which is by counting comes Ratrehe Chaturdasho muhurtaha Brahma muhurtaha. So how many minutes before sunrise? So you know, if there are 30 muhurtas in 24 hours, so one muhurta goes for 48 minutes. So two muhurta, that is 96 minutes before sunrise starts Brahma muhurta. So you should get up 96 minutes before sunrise. So approximately we should consider is 100 minutes or 90 minutes. So it is 1.5 hours before sunrise. Average, not exactly, but average in our nation, in our Bharat, sunrise is at 6 a.m. So we should get up every day at 4:30 a.m. Okay. Now I will give you one reference. You keep on thinking on that, and then we will read this and we will come back to that reference. This reference is not written here in Ashtanga Hridaya Ayurveda Rasayan or Sarvanga Sundara by Arundatta or by Hemadri. This reference, what I am going to tell you, is from Ashtanga Sangraha Sutra Sthan 3, Shlok number, this same Shlok, Brahma Muhurta Uttishtet, and Tikakar Indu. You know Indu. Tikakar Indu says, Brahma Muhurta iti Suryodayat Prabhuti Shadvinsho Muhurtaha Brahma iti Uchyate. Can you believe? Shadvinsho Muhurtaha Brahma iti Uchyate. As per current counting, Ratrehe Chaturdasho Muhurta comes 15 muhurtas from sunrise to sunset plus 14 muhurtas from sunset to next sunrise. That is 29th muhurta is Brahma muhurta as per Arundatta and as per Hemadri. But as per Indu, in Ashtanga Sangraha, he says, Suryodayat Prabhuti Shadvinsho Muhurtaha Brahma iti Uchyate. Shadvinsho Muhurta. 26th Muhurta is Brahma. Means 5th Muhurta before sunrise. So you should get up 5 Muhurtas before sunrise. Here I am saying 2 Muhurtas. That is 96 minutes. But Hindu expects that Suryodayat Prabhuti Shadvinsho Muhurtaha means at the 5th Muhurta before sunrise, that is 48 into 5, that is 240 minutes. 48 into 5 is 240 minutes. And 240 minutes is 4 hours before sunrise. Means if 6 a.m. is average time for sunrise in our Bharata, then you should get up at 2 a.m. Can you believe? It is written by Indu in Ashtanga Sangraha Tika. You can refer. So Suryodayat Prabhuti Shadvinsho Muhurta Brahma iti Uchyate, that is 5th Muhurta before sunrise, that is 2 a.m. and it is more scientific than whatever is written here or in Hemadri and Arundatta. Why? Because Vata Kala starts at Uttara Ratra. Vayoho Ratri Bhuktana Antenta Madhyadigakramat. Aho and Ratra have last 1/3 reserved for Vayu. Vayu gets dominated in the last 1/3 of day and last 1/3 of Ratri. Last 1/3 of day is 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. that is before sunset. 4 hours is last 1/3 dominated by Vata in daytime. And similarly, Vata dominated time in night is 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. 4 hours before sunrise, and it is very scientific according to Ayurveda, because Vega Utsarjana, Vega Nirmiti is in the Kal of Vata. So it is correct time to get up at 2 a.m. Go for your Vega Utsarjana, Kruta Shaucha Vedistataha, and then go for your Adhyayana. Because it is Vata Kala. And Vata is for Adhyayana. Not Kapha is for Adhyayana. Because Kapha is a Kapha is tamasa. Kapha is guru. Kapha is snigdha. So pratah kala after sunrise is not for adhyayana. It is kapha dominant kal. How can you get your jnanam in kapha kal? So you should wake up. You should have your prabodha in vata kal, which begins as 2 a.m. So 2 a.m. is the correct time to get up. But it is very difficult and very not practical. Therefore there is adjustment. And then they came that ratrehe chaturdasho muhurtaha or ratrehe upantyo muhurtaha brahmaha.